Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm really excited today to bring you the unboxing of the 1000G5 Supernova by EVGA, and it's a 80 plus gold 1000 watt power supply. Now I had a choice of between buying this and a Coolmaster. I've gone for this because of just branding preferences, and this will be featuring into my up and coming build, which will have a 5800X paired up with a XFX Speedster MERC319 RX 6900 XT Black Edition, okay, which is the absolute best silicon lottery chance you'll have to win. It's been really high. All right, if you guys want to see my review of that, I'll have it in the comments below. Without further ado, let's have a look at the box actually. All right, so that's the back of the box, just some marketing stuff. So there's not much to see on the box itself other than the obviously serial number and stuff. All right, opening it up, it's pretty simple, straightforward. Okay, bang, and that's basically it. All right, now how do we open this? There's a bit of a seal on the side which comes out. Okay, it's really easy. I like to see that, you know, I like to see stuff that doesn't tear off and just ruin the box completely. I like keeping the box for my things, you know. All right, so opens really easily. All right, got a lot of things in here. All right, a lot of padding and stuff with it. Straight off, first things first, you've got the warranty and manual paperwork here, all right, to go through it. So I'll put that aside. So you got a lot of cabling here, nice EVGA ties as well with it. So this will be all used in setting it up. There's a power supply thing. Okay, very nicely done. Look at that, it's neat and tidy. It's got those closings on it. Okay, there you go. Right, that's basically it in regards to the wiring. Okay, let's get this bad boy out. Inside the box, that's it. You don't get much more, not that you need any more than that. I don't need any more gimmicking and marketing in regards to that. Right, let's look at the power supply itself. It's not too big, not too heavy. With the box it was quite heavy. That's basically the form there. Now guys, as I'm unpacking this, I'd just like to mention this channel survives on your subscription, okay? I don't have sponsors, I'm not monetized, and that's why it's straightforward and honest, you know? I don't have an incentive to be biased towards anything. So if you want to see more stuff, please do subscribe, give it a like, that spreads the word. I'm also on Instagram, Twitter, and Patreon and TikTok. If you want to have a look at that and follow me, that'll be really appreciated. All right, let's get back to the unboxing. So basically that's the power supply here. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. Okay, they cost around $300 in Australia, so they're not too bad. They're not, definitely not on the super expensive scale, but they're not in the cheap scale either. So they're not a cheap, they're well built. Look at that, just a real small attention to detail, guys. Look at that, look at the fan in there. It's all quality build, you know what I mean? Like, you can't go wrong with that. Look at that, beautiful. Look at all everything's neatly done. There's nothing cheap about it. All right, and it's got a little eco mode as well, which you can switch on and off. Eco mode down here. All right, that's basically it for the unboxing. Please do stay tuned. I'll be doing a review of this very shortly. Give me about 2-3 days to run all the power diagnostics on it and thermals and things like that, and let you guys know. All right, thanks for watching to the end. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.